Hello, Salesforce enthusiasts. Welcome to our guide on the introduction of approval requests. By the end of this unit, you'll be well-versed in the world of approval processes. Let's get started. Before we dive into the details, let's outline our learning objectives. We're going to define what an approval process is and explore its key components. Plus, we'll discuss how to plan the automation of a business process using an approval process. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Let's start with the basics. An approval process automates how Salesforce records are approved in your organization. You have the power to specify the steps a record needs to go through for approval and who approves it at each step. Additionally, you can define actions based on the outcomes of the approval process. For example, you can automatically update fields or send notifications. Now let's dive deeper into how this works. Imagine a scenario where a user submits a request for a new position in a company. This is where an approval process comes into play. Let's explore the steps and actions involved in this example. In our example approval process, when a user requests approval for a new position, initial submission actions occur. These actions, such as locking the record, ensure that it can't be changed by others while pending approval. Other actions could include sending emails, updating fields, creating tasks, and more. To move the process forward, approval steps are crucial. They assign approval requests to specific users and define the chain of approval. In our example, the first step assigns the approval request to the submitter's direct manager. This sets the stage for the approval journey. Every decision in the approval process matters. If the direct manager rejects the request, final rejection actions are executed, marking the position as rejected. If approved, the record moves to the next step approval from the CEO. Each rejection or approval triggers specific actions. Final approval actions come into play when a record is approved and there are no further steps. In our example, final approval actions set the approval status to approved, unlock the record for updates, and notify the employee who requested the new position. It's the culmination of the approval journey. There you have it, Salesforce enthusiasts. You've just scratched the surface of the fascinating world of approval processes. From specifying steps to defining actions based on outcomes, you're now equipped to plan the automation of business processes using approval processes. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more Salesforce adventures. Happy automating!